Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the case and AirPods have charge, because no power means no pairing. Open the lid and hold it close to your iPhone, or press the setup button if you're using another device. This wakes the earbuds and triggers Bluetooth. Once done, inspect the silicone tips, clean and dry, so you get a proper seal and noise cancellation. Make sure you select the right device name on screen, since identical models can appear if you haven't renamed them. Put the labeled left and right AirPods into your ears. You'll feel when the stem points down along your jaw. Press each tip into the ear canal and rotate slightly. This creates the physical seal that gives you bass and active noise cancellation. If you don't feel a snug fit, swap to a different tip size and repeat the fit test in settings. This confirms both comfort and sound isolation. Once seated, glance at audio balance and adjust if one side sounds quieter. Now fine-tune sound and controls. Open Control Center to toggle active noise cancellation or transparency so you hear what you need. If audio skips or one side drops, make sure Bluetooth is connected and firmware is current, since updates fix stability. For stubborn problems, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. This clears pairing conflicts. Finally, clean speaker meshes and recheck fit, because debris or a loose seal often causes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.